Many of you are probably already familiar with stirring hot plates, but if you're not, take a good look at this slide and then wait for the next video. We'll do a little bit of a live demo. Now for something more serious. We're going to teach you how to dilute acid safely. Now, we have already measured out the acid that we're going to use. We're not going to show you how we measured it because that would give away a pre-lab answer, and you need to figure that out for yourself. We're going to show you one way to do this. There's no one right way. There are many good ways to do this. We did not use the graduations on the container that we have our acid in to measure it, by the way, so you know. Just always remember, acid to water. Add acid to water. So here's Heather has the basic tools all ready to go. Again, we did not use the graduations on the beaker to measure the acid. That would not be a good idea. Heather's going to put a certain amount of water, about half of what we need, you see. Now she takes the beaker and pours in the acid. You can see the two of them mix. Now a little water into the beaker. We'll swish it around. Pour that in. And now using the squirt bottle, top off the graduated cylinder. And now we're going to show you how to set up the calorimeter. This is a situation where you want to set the unit up beforehand. Very important. And we'll show you why in a minute. Inner and outer cup. Slightly different design, you may have noticed. There goes the stir bean. And now the clamp. Notice Heather has looped the thermistor cable behind the upright stand. Now she's going to lower this down into place and make sure everything lines up correctly. And now this next step is important. She's going to mark her equipment with tape. She'll mark the hot plate too. You can't do that, of course, if you're going to use heating, but we're not going to heat. We're just going to stir. Double check that alignment. Front and one side. Now here's a shot of what it should actually look like. And here's why we're so careful. You only get to make this mistake once.